Okay, so I'm not going to lie, I find this slightly erotic. Check that out. And it works. Nearly. Right. So this goes up and down, which is hard with one hand. Needs a bit more tension, but I'll show that again. Look at the figures. So we'll calibrate to those numbers, and it goes down about 780 to 900, if you can see that, going up and down. There's your collective, your rotor angle, and then your rotor power is this. There's a potentiometer in there as well. And all I'm going to do is connect up the head and this Mini Pro to a control unit, which is, where's that? Here. In a box here somewhere. And it's done. Really cool, really happy with that.